Looking to set up your Geminos? Let us help you out with these 3 methods that will work on either Mac or Windows. In your box, you will find an AC plug and power supply, and you're going to start by connecting those together. Then, take the connected pieces and plug one end into the wall and the other into the back of the monitor all the way to the right at the power input. This box will contain 2 USB-C cables, 2 HDMI cables, and 1 USB-C with a USB-A adapter. Method 1. Connection via 2 USB-C. Take the 2 USB-C cables and plug them both into the side of your device at the USB-C ports. In the back of the Geminos, plug one cable under top and the other cable into the USB-C port under bottom. Method 2. Connecting via 2 HDMI. Take the 2 HDMI cables and plug them both into the side of your device at the HDMI ports. For demonstration purposes, our device has one HDMI port, so we'll be using an adapter so we're able to have access to 2. In the back of the Geminos, plug one cable into the HDMI port under top and the other cable into the HDMI port under bottom. Method 3. Hybrid. Take one of the USB-C cables and one of the HDMI cables and connect those into the side of your device. It is important for this method to connect the HDMI cable into the back of the Geminos under top and the USB-C under bottom. And there you go. These are the 3 methods of connecting your Geminos with 2 cables. To learn how to connect the Geminos via driver, head over to our part 2. For more information on our Geminos, head over to www.mobilepixels.us.